Welcome back to Lamas Farm. In this video, we will share to you the benefits of gardening using raised beds. As we have told you from our last video, guys, here we are burning the parts that were not blackened. So right now we're using the torch that we bought in Shopee. So we bought this online. Debu-chan! Debu-chan! Debu-chan is supervising the workers. Are you supervising the workers? Huh? Debu-chan! Debu is doing well now, guys. If you watch our video about him, you will see how much he fought. He's such a good boy. Our raised bed frames are almost finished. So we have a total of 11 1 meter by 10 meter raised beds here. After this, we will start filling in with organic materials that will help us in growing our crops naturally. So let me just walk Debu first, guys, before we go and talk about the benefits of using raised beds Debu, in gardening. Thank you so much for Debu's leash and how you call it, harness. He likes it so much. And it's very comfortable to walk. Debu, wait, wait. You have to fly the drone. Whoa, Debu-chan. Wait, wait. Debu, Debu. The male decal chicks are here, guys. They are now 39 days in our farm. We started selling them. Hopefully, many will buy. If you are someone reselling chicks or anything, please do not scam people. Always aim to deliver the value for their money because you don't know how hard they earn their money. This situation actually cost us sleepless nights. Me, personally, I cried a lot and it caused so much delay on our projects or goals in our farm. But since it happened already, we just keep moving forward, do what we can to cope up, and use this bad situation to grow and be wiser. I saw a post that they got scammed as well, almost the same situation as ours. They ordered, I think, 3,000 broiler chicks, and what they received were cockerels. Too bad because cockerels grow slow, unlike broilers. So be careful in buying chicks. Let's do a lot of research and be knowledgeable enough so we can avoid getting scammed. As much as possible, let's try to buy directly from farms or to a reseller with complete papers. So let's talk about now about the benefits of having raised bed gardening. For anyone new to the concept, raised beds are garden plots that are built above the ground, usually in framed boxes filled with soil, just like how you see it here at our farm. You can make them with woods, bricks, metal, or even recycled materials. Just anything that's available in your area. Oh, look at that Debu. So the number one benefit of raised bed gardening is better soil quality. In raised beds, you're not stuck with a poor native soil. You can build your perfect mix full of compost, organic matter, and nutrients. And this is actually what we need to work on in our gardening. We need to have a consistent compost production, which we are currently working on. This means better growth, fewer weeds, and healthier crops. And number two is improved drainage. So in raised beds, water drains more evenly, which prevents rotting of roots and waterlogging, which is the major problems in flat ground gardening. We are actually planning to rebuild our roof or semi-greenhouse setup with our raised beds, just like how we had it before. And the number three benefit of raised bed gardening is easier on the body. So less bending and kneeling. Raised beds bring your garden up to you, so it's easier to work on it. So perfect for older gardeners or anyone with limited mobility. Number four is space efficiency and better yield. You can grow more in less space. Just make sure composts are always available, because it is also important to top up compost on raised beds. We can use intensive planting methods and companion planting in raised beds. The last but not the least is that, let's be honest, they look great. So basically, it is aesthetic and organized. So you can design them to fit any layout or theme, just like rustic style or modern. So it's up to you. But the thing is, it is a bit expensive and labor intensive at first, but along the way, this will surely uplift your yield and also your soul. So Kuya Lando is actually preparing the seeds for our raised beds. So here is our seedling trays, guys, with the seeds we are germinating as of the moment. So we will keep you updated.